Imagine temperature drops to minus 30 degrees. Water should freeze solid. Then how do cars keep running? The secret is an amazing anti-freezing agent. Normal water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. When it freezes, it expands and can crack engine blocks, radiators, and pipes. If only water is inside the cooling system, freezing ice expands with tremendous force, causing expensive engine damage. The solution is antifreeze. Most vehicles use ethylene glycol or propylene glycol mixed with water. Water freezes only when its molecules arrange into a perfect crystal. Glycol molecules come between water molecules and stop this organized arrangement. Because of this, the freezing point becomes much lower. A 50 to 50 coolant mixture can remain liquid even around minus 37 degrees Celsius. Antifreeze doesn't only protect in winter. It also raises the boiling point, preventing overheating during hot summers. It also contains corrosion inhibitors that protect aluminum, copper and steel components from rust. That's why antifreeze is essential in vehicles, heavy machinery, aircraft cooling systems and industries operating in freezing climates. So next time you see a car running perfectly in heavy snowfall, remember it's not magic, it's chemistry. Antifreeze keeps the coolant flowing, protects the engine and prevents costly damage. 1. Automobile car and bike engines. Antifreeze mix. Ethylene glycol plus water, typically 50-50. Working. Prevents coolant from freezing in winter, up to about 37 degrees C. Raises boiling point, around 106-129 degrees C, depending on system pressure. Protects against rust and corrosion. Lubricates the water pump. 2. Airplane aircraft de-icing. Antifreeze mix, propylene glycol or ethylene glycol solution. Working. Sprayed on wings before takeoff. Melts snow and ice. Prevents new ice from forming for a short time. Ensures smooth airflow over the wings for safe flight. 3. House building solar water heating systems. Antifreeze mix, propylene glycol plus water. Working. Prevents pipes from freezing during winter. Transfers heat efficiently from solar panels. Protects the system from corrosion. Used in cold countries like Canada, Norway, and Sweden. 4. Factory industrial cooling systems. Antifreeze mix, glycol plus water. Working. Used in factories, food processing plants, breweries, and cold storage warehouse. Keeps cooling systems operational in freezing environments. Protects pumps, pipes, and heat exchangers from ice damage. 5. Snowflake HVAC and chiller systems. Antifreeze mix, propylene glycol plus water. Working. Used in air conditioning chillers and refrigeration plants. Prevents cooling liquid from freezing inside pipes. Ensures continuous cooling in shopping malls, hospitals, hotels, and data centers. Fish living in the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic produce natural antifreeze proteins in their blood. These proteins stop ice crystals from growing, allowing the fish to survive in seawater below 0 degrees Celsius. This is nature's own antifreeze system.